All right, what's up, y'all? So updates on the challenge. So I can kind of see where we're at right now. So last week we took a few trades kind of back and forth to start the week. We did take a loss last week. So starting off on last week, we I can't remember exactly where the balance was. I think it was like maybe like 150-ish. And then we took a GU trade, I want to say towards the beginning of the week. And then we took a loss on it, but then we re-entered the trade and then we took a win on the same trade. So it ended up stopping us out first. Then we re-entered at a better entry, and then we were able to catch the full move. So that's kind of how the week started. Then midweek, we kind of went a little bit of back and forth. There were some trades that I put out, maybe like one, I think two. Um, that like the first one I put out, I was like, didn't really like it. So we closed it literally immediately after I put it out. Then there was another one a little shortly after. Then we closed that one as well immediately after. And then we had one more trade, which was, I want to say it's, yeah, Euro USD was a scalp. So I tried to try something a little bit different, which was a scalp trade, and we ended up actually taking a loss on that one. So that was the trade that actually put us back at break even. So as of right now, we are at around $77.63. So we started off at 75, so we're like $2 up right now. Our max peak was at around 150. So we're just gonna keep it going. Nothing's really changed. Nothing really to edit or change. We're just gonna keep it going. We just took an L on that one. I probably shouldn't have done that type of scalp trade, but it is what it is. So we probably won't be taking any more scalp trades just going forward. I mean, of course, I'm going to lose a trade, right? And this is the first trade that we've lost in the challenge, but I don't like the scalping because it's just too fast for me. And I just don't like. It's just too quick. It's just too quick money. I don't know. It's just something about it. It's just too quick. So I like to be able to see what's going on piece by piece. For these scalps, like I literally go to the bathroom, come back, and it's like something, 60% of the moves happen, or it's damn near the here or there. So it's just like it's too fast. I can't even go use the bathroom or something and come back and just crazy. So I'm gonna stick to my intradays and swings when it comes to the challenge. Next week we will be looking at a USD JPY trade as far as next week. But other than that, that's really all the updates that I have for y'all as far as right now. So the market next week. I'm really not a fan of it. I do expect the DXY went beautiful last week. I do expect for a higher time frame reversal to be coming pretty soon on the DXY. So we will be looking for this to actually go up pretty, a pretty significant amount very, very soon. So upside move on the DXY very soon. Now we're either going to get it right now or we're going to go sweep the low, get a little bit down, and then go up. So either way, I'm going to be focusing on buys pretty soon as we are now reaching the bottom of the market. And we're about to switch and change its trend. The market is going to be doing a little bit of manipulation, a little bit of extra moves. So this week is going to be it's probably going to be a week full of games, to be honest with y'all. So I'm probably going to be just kind of very, very chill this week. My birthday is on Wednesday as well. So not Wednesday, Thursday or Friday. What is it, Friday? It's the fourth, whatever day the fourth is. I don't even keep up with the days anymore. So I'm going to be out the country just kind of doing that. So I'll be not too much on charts anyway. But next week, I think the market's more so just going to set up for the actual reversal. So whatever it's going to do, I think next week it might end up stalling out the whole week to prepare for the reversal. And then the week after, we might actually see the movement. So next week might be a pretty chill week for us. Just wanted to give y'all a heads up until we wait for the dollar to get ready for its next overall move. So other than that, man, y'all have a great weekend. Y'all be safe, and I will catch y'all all on the next stream.